welcome to another episode of Survive the Wild with me, Dan. Today I am out in the Peak District. I've just hopped off the train at Edale. I've just come up this bit of valley here, just in this little bit of woodland at the moment, but obviously filming this. But the plan is I'm going to hike up here all the way to Kinder Scout, and I'm going to spend the night at just over 2,000 feet. Gorgeous day though. Started off raining this morning, but so yeah, the forecast was this morning it was going to rain. I did actually sort of, I was going to come out last night here or yesterday, but it just worked out better today because I've got yeah, work things got shifted around a bit. So yeah, I've got today off now, and I'm making the most of it because I've just worked 7 days in a row, and I've missed the outdoors. So yeah, it's fantastic getting out here. I've seen one person so far. I'm probably only going to see maybe one or two others. So anyway. That's my path, probably see it in the distance. I've not been up here for a good 4 years, so it's going to be interesting to see how it's eroded and changed, because it's a very dynamic landscape this. And yeah, because the last time I was up here, one of the paths that runs like along that ridge and round was really heavily eroded, and it was actually becoming difficult to walk and stay on the path, to the point where it was actually getting a bit dangerous. And I know at least one person, it was about this time last year, she was going along there and slipped and broke her arm. I mean, she was lucky that she broke her arm, because at least she could actually walk off, but it could have been easily a leg, sprained ankle, hip, or even a head injury. So yeah, it could have been a lot worse. But anyway, catch you guys in a bit. Well, coming along. I don't know, before we get any further around here, up there, that's the top. Well, more or less. That's not the exact top where I'm going though. I'll be continuing in up here, obviously. It's a bit of a, you know, this valley now is really closing in, but it splits into two little routes. I've always followed the water and gone up the waterfall side out of the two of them, and but admittedly I've not had like such a big pack on me when I've done it. So but anyway, when I get to the fork, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to have a little rest, a little bite to eat, and make my mind up which route I'm going to take. But yeah, looks nice up there. Some way to go. I'm at that point now where I've got to decide which way I'm going, and yeah, the choices are that way, which that's the way I always go, or where them guys are up there. Just came around the corner and they were all sat there. And as soon as I came around, they all, like pretty much all at once, stood up and yeah, started moving on. Didn't see anyone in front of me, so they must have been there for quite a while. Ooh, one just slipped. And as you see, the fourth person up just slipped. They're all right. It's tough going, that. It is, both routes are hard. Well, I set off at it was 10 to 1. I got off the train at Edale. It's 2:15 now, so that's not bad going. So I've got 2 hours before the sun sets. 2 whole hours. Still got to get up there yet though. That might take an hour. Whew. Well, I made a decision on which route I'm going to go. Oh, took my hands inside. I'm going to get my gloves on in a bit. I'm going to go up that route instead of going that one, because I was thinking, I've not been here for a long time, so I need to find somewhere to stay, like pitch the tent up when I find a flattish bit of ground that I can. I mean, you look around here and you think, oh, there's not going to be anything, but it's a plateau up there, so I should be able to find somewhere up there. Yeah, while I've been here about 10 minutes, about 15 minutes-ish, something like that now. The temperature is dropping like a stone. I don't know if you can see that. Trying. It's 3 degrees. And the sun hasn't gone down yet. So I think we'll go below 0 tonight. Like I say, got to move on now. I'm going to get up there. It'll take me about 20 minutes or something like that, maybe. That's looking on the extreme side, I think. Shouldn't take me that long. But I'll take you along the way, stick the GoPro on my head, and you'll get a feel for it. So, yeah, this video is more about the journey than the actual staying, I think. And, you know, enjoying some of the scenery. But it's cold. Yeah, it's getting cold. I think when I get up there, my gloves are coming out. They're going on. Right, time to move on. Right, let's get on up here. Actually, I'm going to put the gloves on. To warm my hands up a little bit. I'll warm up as I'm going up here, but yeah, after being stood for about 15 minutes or so, it got pretty cold. See Stonehenge Edge in the distance. Right, tell you what, that wind that's coming down off the top, that it's certainly cold. Oh God. Nearly there. Wow. So I made it. It's a bit breezy up here, but it's always breezy up here. That's handy. The sun's going to go now. I'll turn around in a second. But yeah, we're up at the top. I'm gonna head off over towards them rocks in the distance, and see what's over there. Try and find somewhere that's tucked in a little bit that I can put the tent up. Yeah, enjoy it. Anyway. Oh, certainly got a cold foot now. See that? I was walking along and my foot just disappeared down a hole completely, all the way up to my knee. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be fun now. Oh, yeah, that's cold, but it's got I'm almost at the top here. I just want to get it there and take a good look round and yeah, see where we're at from there. Oh, I actually thought this was firmer ground then. Just found this. Animal bones. Load of ribs. There's a vertebrae and some legs that are scattered around. It's too small to be a lamb, although it could have been maybe a very, very young born lamb, possibly. Quite long leg bones they are. That might give it away. There's a claw attached to that there. Hair, mountain hair. That's what I'm putting my money on, mountain hair. But check out this view. Amazing. You see for miles in pretty much every direction. Yeah, so I need to find a suitable place to camp now. set up my tent. So I'm just going to have a quick scout around here. If I can't find anything around this spot here, I'm going to go over that way. I know there's an area over there where I could get to, where I have camped before years ago, flattish. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to shut up and find somewhere to camp because I've got about an hour and 15 minutes before the sun sets. So after a little bit of searching around, I found a spot here. It's fairly flat. The ground's a bit soft, but it is a peat bog plateau. And yeah, sun's about to go down. Got a good about half an hour, I think. Half an hour, 20 minutes. So I'm going to set up right here. I'm probably not quite as tucked away as I maybe want. I can see the main track straight in that direction, but that will aid me in case, because I've had this happen before. You know, it's been a lovely evening like this, you get in your tent, you wake up in the morning, you get out, and you can't see 20 feet in front of you. What I have a habit of doing is either, depending on what type of tent I've got, this I've just got that, I've got my larger dome tent, so I want a bit more space this time. I'll face the door in the direction of where I want to go. So in the morning I want to be heading in that direction anyway, so the door will be facing that way. I've also got this little ridge here behind me, which is also pointing in that direction. Just along beyond that, there's a little brook that then will take me down to where I need to be. Right. Ooh. It is time to get inside. I've had the thermometer on the on top of the camera. I just had a look and it's showing that it's 1 degree and it's still falling. It's falling rapidly. So I want to get in here and get the stuff in. Get set up inside, get the roll mats down. And yeah, get ready for bedding down a little bit. I want to change my socks because that foot's, like I say, it's wet, it's cold. So yeah. Oh, a little bit of a mad rush that last few moments. It felt like it anyway, just to get the tent up. Oh, so much better. Right, I'm going to change my socks because my feet are freezing. Whew. Well, it's actually, I brought the thermometer in. It seems to have warmed up. Weirdly, it's still pretty cold though. It's about +1, which is what the Met Office said. There's a plane. Yeah, so I've had a bite to eat. I just made a drink. I just did it at the front there. There wasn't really room to film it. So yeah. So I'm just gonna get my sleeping bag out now, get dressed for bed. Time is, it's
going to be early. It's just after 5 o'clock, to be fair. But there's not a lot I can do, really, apart from just get some rest. I'm going to get up fairly early in the morning, get the early train back out of here. I've got to get back out, got to get back down. That's about 2.5 hour hike ish. So yeah, that's about it for tonight, folks. Yeah, this short video, this one, really. It's not like a lot of the certainly nothing like the bushcraft style videos that I do. This is just a wild camping one, and a bit of a test to see what this tent's like and find a bit of a decent spot for winter, because I want to come out here when it gets a lot colder. But yeah, so far so good. Anyway, like I said, there's not an awful lot really for me to do. I've got some snacks, I've got a bit of fudge and some cereal bars. I've got 3 of those left. I'm going to try and save a couple for breakfast. So I haven't got any oatmeal with me. Definitely going to have to take my trousers off when I get in my sleeping bag, because the bottom half are wet, especially on my left leg, falling into that hole. Just didn't see it, just my leg just went straight down. I was quite lucky, really, that I didn't break anything, because the hole was literally, it was about that big, just big enough for my foot to go down. It just went boom, straight down. But yeah, yeah, we'll be doing a subscriber giveaway very, very soon. Before I left, I think we were on 1,990 something like that, or in the high 80s, low 90s. So yeah, there will be a subscriber video coming out probably next week. That will be next week's video. But yeah, looking pretty good. So I'll say thanks to everyone that has subscribed. You know, I've had some great comments. So yeah, this will probably be it for tonight, folks. I've had a really nice hike out here. It's been a while since I've been up here, so I really enjoyed getting up here and seeing the scenery and taking it all in. I don't know what that was. And yeah, I'll probably step out of the tent when it's gone. I mean, it's nearly virtually dark now, but when it's gone really dark, and see what stars I can see. Maybe I'll take a few photos. But apart from that, that'll be about it, really. So anyway, good night, folks. I'm going to get my sleeping bag out, and I think I'm going to get in that for a little bit. I'm not that cold now. Now I'm out of that wind. It's not too bad at all. Just to keep me feet warm, because I've got my boots off, I've just stuck my gloves on my sock over my other socks, because that's the sock that got wet through. So hopefully I've got a safety pin up there, so I might hang it up there. I doubt it'll dry, to be honest, but give it a fighting chance. But I brought 2 pairs of socks with me anyway, and that's my other pair there. So I've got, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. As long as you're enjoying yourself, that's the main thing. Right, catch you in the morning, guys. Morning, folks. 7 o'clock. Oh yeah, it's cold. Yeah. The temperature in here is, you see that? It's actually gone up a little bit. Try and see. It's about 2 degrees above freezing. try and... Oh, that's better. Oh, what sort of a night have I had? Yeah, cold one. Even with my sleeping bag, I've been fairly cold. And this is the same sleeping bag I had when I was in that cave. The weather's been good. The wind has completely died down. So there's just like a bit of a breeze, which is not bad. Oh, so all I have to do now is pack up and yeah, and then walk out here. Let's check out the outside world. Quite foggy. And a bit frosty. Yeah. Ice on the tent. There we go, look. Ice. So it was fairly cold last night. Some standing water. I just come along I thought I'd recorded it, but I hadn't, the camera hadn't. That's where I got up to last night. So I'm just heading down in this direction. You can see that visibility has improved somewhat. So yesterday I came up all the way up that valley, Edale Valley, up to the top. That's the other bit of valley that I was considering going up. Glad I didn't now. So now it is just a case of soaking up this bit of scenery in the morning before the sun rises, and getting off this mountain and down to the train station. Get out on the train, get home, get changed, showered, and get to work. So yeah. Well, I'm on the final drop now, but check this out for a view. Gorgeous, eh? Absolutely stunning. So I've just, I've descended most of the way down now. It's just, I always find the descending harder on the legs than going up. That's probably because I used to do a lot of mountain biking and road biking as well, so my legs are used to pushing, so like not holding back as such, but hey ho. So I've got to sort of concentrate on where I'm looking. Not doing bad for time. Got about 40 minutes before my train leaves. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a little bit different to what I normally do. I've just come out, done a camp out just for the evening, sort of more for the experience, the journey, soak up the atmosphere, get cold, that sort of thing.
So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for, if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for staying with me and coming with me on this journey. Yeah, subscriber video next week, or should I say subscriber giveaway video next week, just as a thank you to everyone that has subscribed, commented, liked. So yeah, if you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, press the little bell that's next to it, then at least you'll actually get a notification for when I put my videos out. I do generally tend to put them out on Friday evenings, Friday night. I'll try to. Sometimes it doesn't always work, sometimes it's Thursday, sometimes it's Saturday morning. But anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Gorgeous view.